Designed for those who love to host and entertain family and friends, the home located here at 193 Goldsworthy Road, Lovely Banks, is a perfect choice for you. I'm Shane King from Harcourts. Let's take a wander through the property. The well thought out floor plan offers versatility and space for all to enjoy. 4 bedrooms, 3 with walk-in robes, a dedicated study or opportunity to work from home if you're a hairdresser, and 3 living areas combines to create the ideal setting for a family. The stunning kitchen set at the heart of the home flows out to the undercover entertaining area, and the low maintenance yards front and back means there's more time to enjoy the finer things in life. Located within walking distance of primary and secondary schools, walking tracks, transport links and easy access to the Geelong Ring Road means convenience is guaranteed. Well, we hope you enjoyed the property tour. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us via phone or email, or we look forward to seeing you at an inspection.